Have you guys ever seen me in an outfit like this? Because I haven't. Let's plan some outfits. I need to talk to you guys right now. I just went outside and I touched grass because I was on hold with Amtrak and then on the phone with Amtrak for like the last 3 hours. And you know, nothing got solved. All my train tickets are canceled. We're still making it to Chicago, which is what I'm outfit planning for. I like to have fun with my outfits there, and this just helps with packing, and I figured like, why not show you guys what I'm thinking of wearing? I feel like you guys need to be a little that way. But now we have to drive. And girl, driving with a toddler is not for the weak, especially one that doesn't sleep in the car. Let's just try to put some outfits together and hope for the best. I was literally just crying so hard on the phone with my brother, on the phone with everybody, telling them an effing idiot. First one, let's go with something crazy and like that will just set me off even more because I'll probably not like this outfit. We're gonna do this white skirt. I think it's supposed to be pretty hot, so we can either do a tank top or a t-shirt. I thought this would be cute with this Gimaguas belt bag, and it's so nice to like have something like this. I don't have a mirror. Wait, that's really freaking cute. I love that. And then for shoes, we're going to be walking a lot. So we can either do like a tennis shoe, but sometimes wearing a sock and a shoe makes me so hot. I got these fisherman sandals from Nisolo, I don't know how you say it, but they're super comfy and cushiony. So we could do this, which I think will look cute. But if I want even more support, I think these Dansko, is that how you say it? Dansko clogs. Does my voice sound like shaky from crying? I was so embarrassed I was crying on the phone with the like agents, but I just get so frustrated and I felt so stupid, but it literally wasn't my fault what happened, so that was more frustrating. Maybe not, I don't know. I feel like the fisherman sandals are cuter, and I really like how this looks. It's very simple, but I've realized when I like start to do too much with packing and like think I'm a totally different person, you know, when you go on vacation, you're like, yeah, I never wear those, but I'll totally wear those when I'm here. No, you won't. I almost like just took it off, but you guys are watching, you want to see the full outfit. Maybe we'll get clips in Chicago of me wearing them because I feel like this could be a short video. We're only going for 3 days. My brother lives there. We used to stay with him, but now we can't because my girl is allergic to cats. I think that's the outfit. The skirt is super long because I'm wearing it low-waisted. I think that it's really cute. It'll be nice to not like carry a big purse. I probably will still bring a bag and force my brother to wear it, but I think this is the bag I'm bringing because it can hold all my daughter's stuff and all my stuff. Then I can still like have my phone on me without a pocket. But I think that this is a really cute look, very summery. I thought that this was gonna send me into a spiral, but we're doing okay. Also, if you guys care, if you guys even care, first of all, Ernie drank out of the toilet for the first time ever today, so there's more of it. But this is the travel bag I use. I got sponsored by them in like 2020 when I was in Chicago, and there's some bleach stains, but I love this bag. My brother and my dad fight over the smaller version of this. This is Baboon to the Moon. If I like went on trains, I'm never going on a train again. If I went on planes and I needed a check-in, I would get the smaller one of this and use it all the time. But my daughter and I share this, and this is what I pack everything in. We can go ahead and do that. Okay, next outfit is another more dressy one. This little satin dress I never wear, and I want to. Isn't this dress so pretty? It's from Revolve, and I think it looks cute. The fisherman sandals, it definitely dresses it down a lot. Again, I know these are comfy. I have 2 other things that I'm thinking. Fisherman sandals, clogs, I don't think is the right move with this kind of dress, but maybe we need to put everything on and see it together. I just really want to wear these, but I think I'm gonna start liking them more in the fall, which is kind of why I got them with like denim. I don't know, it's kind of cute though. And then my big beach bag gives like a big juxtaposition of the dress that I feel like could be dressed up so formally. I don't know, I think it's really cute. And now that I'm going in the car, I can pack extra stuff. It doesn't matter. I still haven't told my mom that I booked the tickets wrong. I literally did. I don't even want to go into what happened because I'm moving past it. It's done, it's over. We're driving tomorrow. But I feel so bad that I have to tell her we're not taking the train. We're driving. But we got our $400 back, so I guess that's good. There it is. Next outfit. I was gonna do it with flip-flops actually, and I think if I did it with flip-flops, I wouldn't want to do it with this bag because then it will look too beachy, but to do it with, one sec. So if I did it with the flip-flop, which these are the comfiest flip-flops in the whole world, I never thought this sentence would come out of my mouth, but these are from Crocs and they're so cushiony and they have like this straight toe, square toe to it that makes it a little bit more chic. Like thong flip-flops are literally so trendy right now. I feel like this could be a cute outfit and I love it with the purse. I feel like I'll bring this now just to like switch it up and then I'll have like a tote bag with everything instead. I always talk about that. Choose the right purse for your outfit, not the right purse for your day. Carry 2 bags, just as easy as carrying one. But this, or I don't know, I'll have to look what it looks like on video because sometimes that helps me. I've got my black ballet flats from Jeffrey Campbell. Could also look really cute. Yeah, but I kind of think the flip-flops. Okay, next outfit. I'm sweating. My house is old, so the AC, it does not kick like a new AC. It's hot and I'm getting boob sweat on this stuff already. Okay, and here's the last outfit with purse of choice. These little capris are from thredUP, and then this is the top that I made. If you haven't watched that video, definitely check it out. But I don't know, I feel so stupid like picking out outfits right now. And like all that chaos happened this morning. I don't know if that sounds dumb, but this is the last outfit. And I guess I'll show you my travel day outfit for tomorrow. I'm just so sweaty. I'm getting all these clothes dirty. I had to wear this shirt the other day during a barbecue because I was like, I have to wear it all day and make sure that it's good and no titty witties are gonna come out, but we were golden. Yeah, this is a little shirt I made out of a napkin. You can watch that video. Fisherman sandals again, little capris. And the bag, I think it's, again, just like a really cute, casual, comfy, but cute look. Okay, I'm like out of breath. I don't know if I like love the pink satin dress, but I know it'll be comfy and fine if I do end up wearing it. I have to come on because I ended up wearing that satin dress with the fisherman sandals and I got 6 compliments on it. 1 was from a group of 3. But they literally yelled at me from across this restaurant that they loved my outfit and that I made motherhood look cool. And it just like blew my mind that that was the outfit I liked the least. And I got so many compliments on that outfit. Do I know anything ever? I mean, I'll end up wearing it. Okay, I start undressing, 1 sec. I was going to treat this outfit as like a backup if I hated everything. I hate this one. This is scratched. We're not wearing this. This is my backup outfit. Watch now. Probably just do it with this bag because I think it looks cute. But this will be the backup outfit. I'm sure just these Levi jorts instead that Brandon always likes to comment when I wear them because I wear them all the time. They do nothing for the booty, everything for the soul. This is just like a Hanes t-shirt that I cut off the neck and sleeves and hem, and it gives a little bit of a slouchy look. It's mere moments until I give into that cotton t-shirt. Maybe I'll buy it for myself after that train fiasco as of you did so well crying on the phone. And coming back on to end the video because I ended it so chaotically, but I thought it would be fun to share Lucy's outfits that she wore because honestly, I love planning her outfits even more, and I don't know why I didn't show them in this video, but the first day she wore this thrifted white dress, and then Jackson and Beth found her this necklace, I think at like a flea market or something, and she just loves big beaded colorful necklaces. She wears them all the time. So that was her first day. Second day she wore this little thrifted brown tank and this polka dot skirt my mom got her, and her jelly sandals, which are her favorite ever. And she carries this little strawberry basket with her and packs her toys in it for the day. It's just like the cutest thing. I adore it. Those were her 2 outfits. I don't know what happened to the pictures of her other outfits or honestly what they were, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I told you it was chaotic. I wasn't even gonna post it and I was like, whatever, I'll just post it midday. Whoever wants to watch it obviously can, but that's it. I love you guys the absolute most. My next videos are way more planned, way more thought out. It's been chaos. I love you the absolute most. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.